So for trail braking in the corner, guys, you're gonna need to learn. You're gonna need to know how to counter steer, and you're gonna need to be comfortable with transitioning from the brake lever to the gas smoothly. Okay. You're also gonna have to have a pretty good feel about keeping some amount of brake lever pulled as you go into the corner. Now, the premise of trail braking, obviously, one of the main aspects is that you're slowly releasing the brake lever, right? You're not holding it constant. So, and there's a whole lot of things you got to do right, and that's why I don't advocate it for the streets. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I take corners on the streets. Okay. All right. I'm in 5th gear here. I don't need any brakes here, that's for sure. Let's take up to the next corner and see what we get. I'm sitting in the middle of the seat. I'm in 5th gear. I'm going to brake a little bit here. Down to 4th. My braking's done. I'm back on the gas. Just that quick, guys. Just that quick, I was back on the gas. I'm not even going to touch the brake here. Lots of gas, hard, hard, hard. Let's touch the brake just a little bit. That's it, back on the gas. A little bit of brake down to 5. Back on the gas. Hard gas, hard gas, hard gas. 6th gear. Full throttle, banging it, balls out. A lot of wind. Woo, that wind is pushing the bike around. Okay, high risk with the wind, guys. 5, down to 5. I barely touched the brake there. Down to 4, down to 3, back on the gas. Drive the bike. On the brake, 5. I'm still in 5. I'm gonna come all the way down to 3. 4. I'm on 3, sorry. Back on the gas, all right. I don't need to trail brake through this corner. I got low throttle, high throttle, all throttle, 100%. 4, 5, 6. Brake, 5, 4, 3. I'm back off the brakes, back on the gas, that quick. No need to trail brake through the corner, bullshit. Fighting the wind here. Brakes, 5, 4, another brake right here. Turn it in, I was on the wrong part of the road on the inside, spin the outside. Back on the gas. Brakes, 4, a little bit of gas. Brakes again, a little hard on brake, down to 3. No more brake, back on the gas. That quick, guys, that's how you do it.